Namaste to all students. Khushbu Bitia, myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about artificial chromosome vectors, which are many in the molecular cloning like BAC, YAC, PAC. These kind of artificial chromosome vectors help to package large number size of any kind of a foreign DNA, and artificial chromosomes are DNA molecules assembled in vitro from defined constituents which guarantee stable maintenance of large DNA fragments, as I have told you, with the properties of natural chromosomes. Artificial chromosomes are useful for genome sequencing programs, for functional characterization of entire genomic regions, and for the transduction of large DNA segments into human and non-human mammalian cells. It means they are capable to transform large number of DNA molecules or segments to humans and non-humans like bacterial cells. For example, BAC, YAC, PAC and HEC. If we go for the comparative table of cloning vectors, so here we can see clearly that BAC means bacterial artificial chromosome can insert 50 to 300 kilo base pair DNA into it, which is very much higher in comparison to plasmid, bacteriophage lambda, cosmid, phosmid, bacteriophage P1. So we can simply say that artificial chromosome vectors are beneficial when we need to transform higher length of DNA molecules. A bacterial chromosome, artificial chromosome BAC, is a DNA construct based on a functional fertility plasmid or F plasmid used for transforming and cloning in bacteria, usually in E. coli. They are capable of carrying approximately, as I told you, 300 kilo base pair of inserted DNA sequences. If we talk about the common gene components in BAC, so there are four components like RIP-E, which is required for plasmid replication and regulation of copy number. Next one is per A and per B for partitioning F plasmid DNA to daughter cells during division and ensure stable maintenance of BAC. Third one is selectable marker, which is required for antibiotic resistance. Some BAC also have leg Z region at the cloning site for blue-white colony selection. Next and last gene component, which is T7 and SP6. These are phase promoters for transcription of inserted genes. They are required. This is the flow diagram of bacterial artificial chromosome PBAC108L. Here we can simply see that par A and par B region, origin for replication, RIP-E region, and multiple cloning site having cause region. And these are restriction sites: SAL2, SAC1, NOT1, EXMA1, SMA1, BGL1, HIND third, and BAM H1. And this region also having T7 promoter and SP6 promoter region. If we talk about the applications of BAC, so it has contribution to model diseases such as inherited diseases. BAC are now being utilized in modeling genetic diseases, often alongside transgenic mice. BAC have been used in this field as complex gene may have several regulatory sequences upstream of the encoding sequences, including various promoter sequences that will govern a gene expression level. BAC have been used to study neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, or as in the case of aneuploidy associated with Down syndrome. There have also been instances when they have been used to study specific oncogenes associated with cancers. If we talk about the contribution to model diseases such as infectious diseases, so the genome of several large DNA virus and RNA virus have been cloned as BAC. These constructs are referred to as infectious clones. The infectious property of these BAC has made the study of many viruses such as herpes virus, pox virus, and coronavirus more accessible. If it has role in sequencing also. BAC are often used to sequence the genome of organism in genome project, for example human genome project. A short piece of organism DNA is amplified as an insert in BAC and then sequenced. Finally, the sequenced part are rearranged in silico and resulting in the genomic sequence of whole organism. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.